Hey guys, absolutely iPhone here. Today we'll be taking a look at this original iPod mini I got for free. Some accessories actually came with the iPod also. The iPod also came with a dock, which is pretty cool. Here's the actual iPod itself. It actually came with a charger and a power brick too, which is kind of cool. The power brick also came with international adapters, which is also really cool. You may have seen this earlier, but it came with like a little clip thing, so you could like stick it on like your belt or something. I mean, it's kind of pointless because I'm not gonna really be using this, but still pretty cool. Here's the battery itself with some tools, so I will have to install the battery later though. Thank you for watching my video. If you did like it, please like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.